Seems like yesterday's reversal from the early lows has given pause, I think, to some of the bears to say maybe don't get greedy, and the bulls maybe have some glimmers of hope that this correction is pretty far along so far. Look at the S&P 500. I will say, put it into context. Today's rally in the S&P getting us up to 33.03 is not even yet closing us back to where we finished on Friday, which is more like 33.19. So it's kind of an indecisive little rally, even though it's certainly taken some of the pressure off. Also, I've focused on that August 11th levels in the 33.30s. It's kind of in a little bit of a no man's land right here, still underneath a lot of the shorter term sort of trends people are looking for, but certainly better than the reverse. Kind of a narrow rally. I think we'll talk about that later. Take a look at the positioning in the large NASDAQ stocks. This has been a big talker lately, which is basically a pretty large and new speculative short position in NASDAQ 100 futures. So obviously, as you see here, speculators have been generally long futures. They've been betting on higher prices in the NASDAQ 100 for some time now. And this plunged as of last week to a sharply negative one. Now, this does have contrarian implications. In other words, it would be bullish for the NASDAQ, except look at over here how long it kind of stayed in negative territory. So there's no direct one-to-one automatic. Now it's going to flip to a bullish story up here, especially when you have to give back a lot of those gains. Similar story in flows into and out of the NASDAQ 100 ETF, QQQ. This is from Strategas. This is a 65-day kind of rolling sum of flows. And you see it's now down to a pretty low level you've rarely reached in recent years. However, just look how much flowed in there in the months prior. So it seems like there's still a payback period going on. I wouldn't want to look at this and say, aha, we finally got people capitulating out of tech, therefore you have to buy it, especially when today, this is as of Friday, just in the last day yesterday, massive inflow. So it seems like there's a lot of machinations around dealer positioning and all the rest. It's not purely the public taking flight away from NASDAQ stocks, guys.